Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making Agushi soup. Yes, Egusi soup. Melon seed, we call it in Ghana Agushi, and we normally use it to make our stews, and sometimes we use it to make soup. So today I'm going to share how I make my soup with agushi and spinach, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, chew. Okay, let's get started. So I have here some meat and tripe, and then I have a salt, stock cube, black pepper, bay leaf, onion, ginger and garlic, which I'm going to blend it and steam with my meat. And then I have my agushi or egusi melon seed with some onion and pepper, and then dried herrings, fresh tomato and onion. Then I have baby spinach and then palm oil, which you can use vegetable oil, and I leave too. You can use any leaf of your choice. And then finally, I have smoked mackerel. Now I'm going to start with my meat. So I'm cutting the onion into chunks and then blend it with the garlic and ginger. And then use it to steam my meat. I'm going to add just a bit of water and then blend it. My meat is on medium heat. I'm adding some stock cube to it, and then black pepper and salt to taste, and then adding the blended ginger, onion and garlic. I'm going to stir it and then add my bay leaf to it and let my meat cook till it's tender. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to blend my egusi melon seed with some onion and scotch bonnet. I'm using only one because I don't really like pepper like that. So I've added just a bit of water. Now I'm going to dice my onion, garlic and fresh tomato for the soup. I'm done. I'm going to check my meat. My meat is done. It's looking good. Now I'll start with my soup. I'm adding my onion to the palm oil, which is already heated up on medium heat. So I'm adding my fresh tomato, my fresh diced tomato. I'm letting it fry for about 2-3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the dried herrings. I've grinded it. Now I'm adding my meat. to the stew. I'm going to let it fry for about 3 minutes and then add my blended agushi. I've added my agushi. I'm going to add just a bit of water and give it a stir, and then let it cook for about 5 minutes, so that if I add my water, it will not keep long, because I'm going for a lighter soup. I'm not going for a thicker soup. But if you want your soup to be thick, just add just a bit of water to this one and then let it cook and add your leaves to it, or just make it like that. Yeah. So if I was going for a thicker soup, I'll just leave it like this, but I want mine light, so I'm going to add water to it. I'm adding locust beans to it, the dawa. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add my mackerel, smoked mackerel, and then add my spinach to it. Now I'm giving it a stir and then let it cook for good 15 minutes. And then bow, my soup is ready. This soup goes with a lot of things, but I like to serve mine with rice ball, emutuo, or banku. You can serve with any swallow of your choice. You can even serve it with rice and it is good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and share. Sharing is caring, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so that we keep what popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.